दो लोग यहाँ पे आओ, इधर 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 और तुम दो, कोई यहाँ से दो, वहाँ से एक और दिखाओ कहाँ पे आर्ट बन रहा है।
HER
हाँ सही,
ठीक है।
ठीक है।
दूसरा टीम का काम है पहली टीम को रोकना। कैसे रोकेंगे? एक इंसान अंदर होता है, ठीक है, और दूसरी टीम में से 5 लोग बाहर ऐसे खड़े होते हैं। तो इस अंदर जो भी है उनको वर्ड्स बनाना। पहले
जितना बड़ा लेटर उतना ज़्यादा पॉइंट।
अगर किसी लेटर पे एक बॉल है मतलब वो लेटर लगने का, तो 5 लोग हैं ना, एक जन एक अंदर होंगे, ठीक है। अगर तुम लोग को वर्ड नहीं बन पाया और इन लोगों ने तुम लोगों को काट दिया तो अगला इंसान अंदर आ जाएगा, ठीक है। जल्दी सोचो वर्ड।
Previously, we had tested the game out with students of our age, which is college students, and things were more controlled in that way. They would be thinking more and they would be playing according to the rules we wanted. The game basically had two parts, the first of which was to form the word and the second of which was to block the words. The first went according to plan. The kids in the center were running around forming words. But the second one, where we expected them to go around and predict words and block, they went around going behind the students who were forming the words. They predicted where they would run and they went behind them trying to block the ball. That was one major deviation we had in the game.
They were not thinking ahead as much as we expected them to. I mean, basically it was very impulsive for them and they were getting confused. So what we noticed was while trying to block the letters, they were throwing the ball instead of, coordinating and, some person receiving the ball and then, blocking the letter. That's not how you're supposed to block the letter. So in the end, it just ended up being a lot more confusing for them.
Blockers are not making that much strategy, but the chaser who are chasing the word letters, they are making the good strategy. Like they are bluffing, like they are going to one letter and suddenly they are shifting to the other letter. So I think chasers have a better scope in our game maybe, based on the kids' play.
Especially this was noticed when in the second round, the team over here, 5th standard kids, they were doing the word building. They would go and stand near a particular letter and wait until the ball was thrown to that letter so that they can go back to where that letter was, and they would be tricking the other team that way, which was something interesting that came out. We did not expect it.
Yeah. They were strategizing outside the circle as to what letters they should form, the people who were outside.
Also, there were very few 5-letter words, but we were expecting either one or two to come out in the game. But at that moment, in the chaos and in the pressure, I think none of them were able to form 5-letter words. They could think in terms of 3 letters and some of them in terms of 2 letters. 4 was also quite rare. But then when asked after the game, they were able to form quite a few 5-letter words. Yeah. So I think in the chaos and pressure of the game, you kind of tend to limit your thinking.
And
and the rest of the team waiting outside. They were deciding the the words they would form once they get the chance to enter the center circle. So that also.
और
PET नहीं बनाया.
बनाया ना.
PET. Pet.
प्रतीक्षा what do we want? What do we want? HAT, HER was the point.
अभी 3 वर्ड्स हो गए इनके, ठीक है? 3 वर्ड्स हो गए.
अरे यार. दोनों रे पापा.
और भी है?